is, they're talking about rain tomorrow, so I'd like to do it as early, 9 o'clock, you know what I mean? To see if it would work. In order to push this back to even get it, I don't know. So it does come out and
like an arrow.
Here, that's only 28 inches. Like, but you got, it's
22 inches.
we tested it, it was fine, it wasn't leaking, but when it sits, it's allowing water to drip out of that. After about a 5-minute period, water begins to drip out of the handheld onto the tub. And is going to have to make a decision at that point in time because this was a custom hole made specifically for the tub.
That's like running.
Yeah.
Bubbling under here. That's the spot.
Turn right onto Southeast 9th Street.
Marvin Gaye.
He didn't answer me, so.